Today I got to work on an Airwire G3 garden scale locomotive decoder. Decoder is a thing that listens to DCC commands and executes them. In this case, runs a motor and that sort of thing. And lots of people are using these Airwire devices. This is my first chance to repair one, and I bungled it quite well. But yeah, it does seem to be working. This is not mine. So let's see. Let's back up a little bit and apply power. The beep is what we like. And hook up a truck. That would be forward motion. And hit the reverse button. It slows down and reverses and goes the other direction. Yahoo! The hard to pick up on the scope. The DCC output is working as expected. That would be what your Phoenix sound card would pick up. That looks fabulous. The PWM on the output looks really fabulous and beautifully square. I'd call this a wonderfully working card. It was handed to me as being broken. Here's the suspected bad parts. And with that, we'll speed up, slow down, speed up, slow down, back to forward, speed up, slow down, speed up. All right, that's it. Happy trails. No. Stop.